Mga idol, nandito na naman ako magpasaway at kami ay mag-island hopping mga idol, no? Yun ang puno. Marami kaming baon na pagkain. Dahil may bisita kami ngayon mga idol, no? 17 katao galing US. So mag budol fight sila. So doon kami magluto sa island. So yun mga idol, no? See you mamaya. Yun mga idol, no? Doon kami pupunta sa likod ng isla na yan. Yun yung mga dala namin. 17 ka tao. Doon din kami magluto. Ayun mga idol, nakarga na namin yung mga dala namin. Diyan yung sakyan namin. Yan. Dito kami ngayon sa San Antonio, Zambales. Yun mga idol, yan yung guest namin. Yan, sasakay na sila.
Ayaw niya.
Ma'am, mga anglet ma'am, breastfeed po. Pintas ma'am. Feature?
It's too bad Sebastian wasn't around. He's usually fun. He is. Send him a message. Too bad. It's been a last minute. I went and knocked on his left.
Where are we going? Oh, so white sand. Nice.
Good sand, beautiful water. Last time we left, he was going to meet that girl. You remember he was going to catch a flight with some girl? Yeah. So he was in Subic drinking for a while on his way there. And on our way back, we passed by where we were at McDonald's. Get some food from home. And he hit me up as soon as we were at McDonald's. Any videos that we have, put it on the Slack and everything. And we'll take care of it. Yeah. Maybe not a guy or the girl.
Shadows on his face. That was an idea on the spotlight. On the fucking spotlight.
There. I want to hear your ghost story. Think about it at a campfire.
Yeah.
I don't need it.
Dito na kami mga idol sa Capones Island. Ayan na, bababa na sila. Ang ganda talaga dito, no? Yun, no? Saan ba? Saging po.
Saging.
Yung puso ba yan nasabi?
Opo. Ako magluto, kumakain na yung bisita ko. Yan, busy. Hindi ko na nakuhaan yung pagluto kanina. Yan. Yan mga idol, no? Pauwi na kami, tapos na kami mag-island. At successful naman yung sita ko. Happy sila. At yun, babalik daw sila. At kung sino ang gusto mag-island, kontakin nyo lang ako dito sa page ko. So ayan mga idol, no? Please like and share and comment. Thank you.